Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how I am waxing my legs, how I've been waxing my legs for the past month since we've been all in quarantine. I did order this waxing kit from Amazon. I believe it was about $52, and this is how the waxing kit looks. You can't see because the cord is so short, but this is the name of the brand that I have. It has the top, and my wax is currently warming up right now. Yeah, this is the best purchase that I've ever bought so far while during quarantine, because as you can see, I am really overdue for a wax. Naturally, I let my hair grow regardless on my legs because I don't really care about the hair on my legs, but today I just want to show you guys how I did wax my legs. I did wax this one yesterday. As you can see, there's little bits of pieces of wax still on my skin. Excuse me. So yeah, I'm just gonna wax my legs. Normally I don't wax during the winter time, so since it is starting to be springtime now, almost summer, it's time for my legs to be waxed. So you want to start off on fresh, clean, whatever you're waxing. You want to make sure the area is clean, so that's first. And then I'm going to take my witch hazel that I have. This is the brand that I use, in a cotton pad or cotton ball, whatever you have. And then I am just going to wet it and just go over the area that I'm going to wax. So whatever I'm doing, you can definitely do for your underarms, whatever it is that you are currently about to wax. Again, I did get this waxing kit from Amazon. I will put the link in the description. Hopefully it's still available, because a lot of people was using this brand on YouTube that I saw. So you want to make sure you got it wherever you gotta go. So yes, if you do not like hair, then this video is not for you. And yeah, so this is the brand again for those who wanna search it up. It did come with 4 waxing bags. This is the yellow kind. I believe this is for the sensitive skin, or yes, sensitive skin. But I kind of used all the other colors. They had black, which I have in the warmer now. They had pink, and they had the blue kind. It also came with the small and the large sticks that I'm going to be using. Of course, we're going to be using the big ones, and I believe that's everything that it came with. So right now you guys can see that my hair on my legs, let me try to get the light to go. So the hair on my legs, it grows downward. So what I'm going to do is, when I get the wax, I'm going to place the wax going downward. You want to place it going in the same direction that the hair is growing in. And then you're going to pull in the opposite direction, okay? So for the underarms, if your hair is growing down, you're going to put the wax down. And then you're going to pull upward. A lot of people tend to put the wax going downward and they like to pull down. But you want to pull up, because you want to go the opposite. Always remember the opposite. So yeah, this is really hot. So you guys see how it's too hot because it's too watery, it's too drippy. You want it to be a consistent honey type of consistency, thick. So what I'm going to do is just leave it like so. And then once it gets too cool, then I'm going to put it back in the heater. Okay, so this should be warm enough, like a honey consistency. So what you're going to do is take the wax on the stick, twirl it like this, you're going to keep twirling just to cool it off. Just to cool off the wax some more. And you see, and you would know exactly when the wax is ready, because if it was too drippy, you wouldn't be able to do this. It'll be dripping all over the place. So this, as you can see, this is the perfect consistency. So you're going to move in a downward motion. And then you want to make sure that the end where you're going to lift is thick enough for you to grab. You don't want it to be too thin. Like you see these corners right here, like this side is too thin. You won't be able to pull that. You want it to be a little bit thick so you can lift it up. See how that's thick enough to grab? And see how this is thick right here? Anything that looks like this will be too thin for you to grab, and it'll hurt like crazy. So you want to let this sit and get in the skin and kind of dry, because even though this right here is dry, underneath it might not be, and it'll give you that gooey type of pull. If you try to pull, it'll be like pulling in pieces, too gooey. Trust me, I've done it before where it wasn't dry enough. So this is dry now. So anyway, what you're gonna do is like flick up the end. See how they're coming up now? You're just gonna flick them up. Flick them up. Flick it up. You're gonna flick it up. Okay, so you're just gonna, it's gonna hurt too, especially if it's your first time. But since I'm kind of used to it, I'm like, whatever, get it over with. So you see how the ends are like kind of coming up now? Hopefully you can. Some people take like the stick, since it has wax on it, and like pull with that, because it's going to catch it. Or you can use your fingers, whatever works for you. Now this part is very hard for me because I'm so hairy, and the stuff hurts so bad, y'all. It really hurts. So all right, I'm about to pull. Oh wow, so it did pull, but it pulled a section by itself. There we go. It's so much lighter than the rest of my leg, because this makes me look darker than what I am because I have so much hair. But you can definitely see the difference. That's how you do it, and that's how it's gonna look.
Okay, so again, you want to put the wax going down in the direction of the hair growth. I did this one going downward this way because that's where my hair was going. Like right here, it's going this way, like wrapping around my legs. So I'm just going to wax that way. From here, my knee is going down, so I'm going to put wax going down right here, and then it kind of grows weird.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me.
All right, y'all, so I am tired, okay? It took me so long to get the hair off my legs, but anyway, I still have a few spots that have hair on it, so just ignore that. But I just got out the shower. I used hot water and soap to get the rest of the wax off my legs that was still on there. I was a rough kid growing up, so my legs are shot. But thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next.